Home remedies for toothache and tooth infection. Toothaches can be caused by cavity, decay, gum inflammation, tooth abscess and mouth injury. Symptoms include pain in the mouth, swelling, headache and fever. Let's take a look at 21 effective home remedies to tackle this condition. Guava leaves. Guava is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. This is why its leaves can heal wounds. You can chew on guava leaves. You can also boil the leaves and either rinse or drink. Olive oil. Virgin olive oil contains phenolic compounds which allows it to reduce inflammation and pain. Use by adding the oil directly on the affected area. You can do this thrice a day to help cure toothache. Organic onion. Organic onion is an effective way to relieve severe tooth pain. It also kills the germs that are present in the mouth. Cut a small piece of raw onion and place on the affected tooth. You can leave it for some minutes so it can work. Black seed oil. Black seed oil helps to alleviate swelling and pain. It heals oral wounds because of its antimicrobial contents. Apply directly on the affected area and massage for a few minutes. It can also be used as a mouth rinse. Oregano oil. Use oregano oil to kill bacteria and reduce pain. It has anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. Apply the oregano oil on and around the affected tooth. You can apply every time pain occurs in the tooth. Peppermint tea. To numb the pain in your mouth, use peppermint tea. It contains menthol which cools the gum and teeth. It also relieves inflammation as well as irritation. Put peppermint leaves in boiling water. When cooled, use to rinse the mouth. Hydrogen peroxide. To kill bacteria and heal infected gums, use hydrogen peroxide. Mix with adequate water, use to rinse the mouth and spit it out. It helps to reduce inflammation and pain. Saltwater. Saltwater is an easy remedy for toothache. It helps to release food particles that may be affecting your teeth. It reduces inflammation and mouth pain. Mix with water, rinse and spit. Garlic. Garlic is an amazing cure for toothache. It helps to get rid of plaque and also relieves pain. Make a paste by crushing the garlic. Then add little salt before applying to the affected tooth. You can also chew raw garlic if you want. Ice. You can use ice to relieve your pains. Applying ice helps to constrict the blood vessels in the mouth, thereby making pains less severe. Put a bag of ice on the affected area for some minutes. It can also reduce inflammation and swelling. A word of caution. Chewing ice is bad for your teeth. The aim of this remedy is to help you reduce inflammation and swelling. So only use it to touch the affected area. Clove oil. Clove oil is an effective toothache cure that contains a natural antiseptic called eugenol. It can relieve pain and inflammation. Apply by rubbing the oil on the affected tooth and gum. This can be done several times daily. Cinnamon. To relieve excruciating pain in the tooth, use cinnamon and honey. Cinnamon has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Honey helps to soothe the gums as well. Mix honey with cinnamon powder and apply the paste on your tooth. Whiskey. Whiskey or brandy can help provide relief from pain temporarily. It is a home remedy that has been used by many. Apply on the affected tooth or use it as a mouth rinse. Do this every time pain occurs. Vanilla extract. Vanilla extract has analgesic and antiseptic properties that helps to relieve toothache. This is a very effective home remedy for toothache. Apply on the affected tooth using a cotton ball for relief. This can be done thrice daily. Baking soda. Baking soda has many uses. It can relieve swelling and also treat tooth infection. Make a paste using baking soda and water. Then apply on the affected tooth. You can also dissolve completely in water and use as a mouthwash. Thyme. Thyme contains antioxidants and antibacterial benefits which allows it to treat toothaches. Make a paste with grounded thyme and apply on the affected tooth. You can also add thyme powder to a glass of water and make a mouthwash. Wheatgrass. Wheatgrass relieves inflammation and also prevents infections. It contains a high chlorophyll content which helps it to fight bacteria. You can use wheatgrass juice to rinse your mouth. Ginger. Ginger is an effective toothache cure that helps to reduce pain. It also decreases inflammation and swelling. Make a paste by mixing ginger powder with water. Apply directly on the affected tooth and leave for a few minutes. Tea bag. Tea bag contains tannins which helps to reduce swelling and also relieve pain. These tannins can also help to clot bleeding gums. Wet the tea bag with water and place directly on the affected tooth or gum. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is an hot spice used to relieve severe pain. It contains capsaicin which is good for treating tooth pain. It also helps to reduce swelling. Make a paste by mixing with water. Apply on and around the affected area. Turmeric. Turmeric is a medicinal spice that can be used to cure toothache. It contains curcumin and antiseptic properties. It stops tooth pain and infections. Make a paste by adding turmeric powder and water. Then apply on the sore tooth. Have you tried any of these remedies before? Drop your comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to be notified when we upload new natural health and motivational videos.